Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our special program on personal finance. Today, we will be diving deep into the world of money management and financial well-being. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips. So, let's get started. Lisa, sitting at her kitchen table, surrounded by bills and a notebook. Lisa, frustrated. I feel like I'm always struggling to make ends meet. I need to get a grip on my finances. Lisa reaches for her laptop and begins typing "budgeting for beginners" in the search bar. Discovering, here's an article on budgeting basics. Let's see what it says. Lisa browsing a budgeting website, highlighting key points. Lisa, taking notes. Alright, so the first step is to track my income and expenses. Then, I need to categorize my expenses and set limits for each category. Finally, I should review my budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Saving strategies. Lisa closes her laptop and opens a personal finance book on her coffee table. Lisa, curious. I've heard there are different strategies for saving money. Let's see what this book suggests. Lisa flipping through the pages of the book. Lisa, amazed. Wow! This book recommends the 50-30-20 rule. It says that I should allocate 50% of my income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. That sounds doable. Debt management. Lisa is seen sitting on her couch, holding a stack of credit card bills. Lisa, concerned. These credit card debts are weighing me down. I need to come up with a plan to tackle them. Lisa grabs her laptop and starts researching debt management strategies. Lisa, determined. I found an article on debt consolidation. It says I can combine my debts into a single monthly payment with a lower interest rate. That could be the solution I've been looking for. Investing for the future. Lisa is now at a coffee shop, meeting with her friend, James, who is knowledgeable about investing. Lisa, interested. James, I've been reading about investing, but it still seems intimidating. Any advice? James, confidently. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Start by educating yourself about different investment options and diversify your portfolio. It's also essential to consider your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Achieving financial freedom. Lisa is back at her kitchen table, looking motivated and determined. Lisa, grateful. I've learned so much about personal finance. It's time to take control of my financial future and achieve financial freedom. Lisa starts creating a vision board with images of her goals, financial milestones, and quotes. Lisa, inspired. This vision board will remind me of what I'm